In today's video, I'm going to create a simple summer look with powder foundation. No liquid foundation, just powder foundation. I'm using my MAC new formula NW45. Always remember to prep your face. I have already moisturized my face. I am an oily skin person. Always moisturize your face, whether you are oily skin or dry skin. Now that my skin has been moisturized, I am going to go in with this CoverGirl primer. Once your primer is on, let it dry first before you move in with anything else, because you don't want anything to be cakey or looking all wrong. You want it to look seamless because it is hot outside. It is summer. We want everything to be seamless and smooth. I'm going to use Milani, and it is a corrector. It's called Nectar. I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I'm going to put this right here. I also have a dark mark right here from my glasses. So I do put a little bit there sometimes, not all the time. You see how it covers the darkness? Right here. Then under my eye, I do the same. I use this brush and I'm just going to blend it into the skin. That's it. Now I take a brush and my new MAC formula powder, and that's the pressed powder foundation. I go in. And I just dab it in the skin. I have oily skin, so I don't want to swipe yet. I will use a big fluffy brush to do that for me. So I just finished doing the blush. That's the Ultra Trio. And menopause is kicking in. The fan is on, the AC is on, and I'm still sweating. This is just life. If you are suffering of menopause, seek help. Go to your doctor, talk to your doctor, see what he can give you for relief, and keep living life. Menopause is really, really bad. Menopause can destroy a person's spirit. But don't give up. Do not give up. Ride above the tides, right above the menopause tide. Because if you sit down and think about menopause, it can take you out. And you just don't want that to happen. So far I have put the bronzer, which is now all sweat. I put the powder foundation under my eyes. I put a light powder because I'd already had the corrector there. And I have the blush. I put the base on my eyes first. That's by MAC Paint Pot. And then I took the MAC bronzer and put over it. So I can have a flawless, easy summer vibing look. Ta-da! Easy, simple summer makeup to get out there and go in the hot sun and do what you gotta do. Make sure to wear sunscreen because it is important to keep your skin in good health. This lipstick, I got this from my ice cream box. One thing I can say, it's a pretty color, but it's sticky. See? It don't dry down, but it is beautiful. I want a matte lip. If not, I would put a gloss over it so you can mix it up and see, but very, very pretty color. But this is the summer look. This is the summer look. I hope you are happy. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in life. Try to make it a little bit easier for you. Worry less, pray more, trust yourself more. That will help ease some of the worry. Do what you love more instead of what you hate. If you hate worrying, you should do it less. Always do what you love more. Stay positive. Be kind to yourself. And I will see you in the next video. And as usual, until I see you and you see me, positive thoughts. Positive thoughts will guide you. Summer look, simple and easy. Bye.